An aromatic compound A of molecular formula C7H7ON undergoes a series of reactions as shown below. Write the structure of A, B, C, D and E in the following reaction. And the other question is, write the structure of main product while aniline react with the following reagents: Br2 water HCl, CH3CO of pyridine. Arrange the following in increasing order of the boiling point: CH5NH2, C2H5OH, CH3 3N. Give a simple chemical test to distinguish between the following pair of compounds: CH32NH and CH3. For the reaction given in the question, the A is benzenamide, that is C6H5CONH2, and the B is C6H5N2Cl, and as you can see, the C is a benzene ring and D is phenyl isocyanide and E is phenyl iodide. Now for the answer second, as we know, aniline is NH2 group attached to an benzene ring, and first of all we will react with aniline with Br2, that is water, and it forms 2,4,6 tribromonoaniline and releases HBr. And in the second reaction we will react aniline with HCl, that form anilinium chloride, and in the third we react aniline with acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine, that forms acetalenide plus CH3 C double bond OOH. And for the second part we can see that here is the given answer of that. CH3N has the least boiling point, and the highest boiling point is of C2H5OH. The reason behind this is stronger H bonding, more BP, more solubility. Alcohol has greater than amines on H attached to N takes part in H bond. And for the third, here is a simple test to differentiate between them by Heisenberg test. Secondary amine CH3NH shows PPT formation which is insoluble in KOH. Tertiary amines do not react with benzyne sulfonyl chloride.